Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to find shared files in a group on WhatsApp using your PC. It's a handy feature that allows you to quickly access and download files shared within the group. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your PC. Make sure you have the latest version installed for the best experience. Step 2. Click on the desired group where you want to find the shared files. Step 3. Once you're in the group, click on the group name located at the top of the chat window. Step 4. In the Group Settings menu, you'll find a tab labeled Files. Click on it to access the shared files within the group. Now, you'll see a list of all the files that have been shared in the group. You can browse through the files and find the one you're looking for. If you want to download a file, simply click on it, and it will start downloading to your PC. Finding shared files in a WhatsApp group on your PC is that simple. It's a great way to keep track of important documents, photos, or any other files that have been shared within the group. Remember, only files that have been shared in the group will appear in the Files tab. If you can't find a specific file, it might not have been shared in the group yet. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy file browsing on WhatsApp.